My name is Phil Conrad, and I teach a course at UC Santa Barbara called Computer Science 156. This is a sophomore junior level software engineering course where we concentrate on preparing the students to be able to do full stack web apps with a Java Spring Boot backend and a React front end. And the culmination of the course is that in the last 2, 3, 4 weeks, they contribute to an open source project that they have inherited from a previous quarter of the course. So here you see that there are actually 3 sections, the 4 p.m. section, the 5 p.m. section, and the 6 p.m. section. And there are 2 projects. And in each of these sections, there are 2 teams of 6 students working on an app called Courses, 2 teams of students working on an app called Happy Cows. Courses is a courses search application for looking up courses that are offered at UC Santa Barbara. We actually have an open API. We're very fortunate that our campus provides an open API for folks to look up information about the course schedule, so we don't have to do any screen scraping or anything. Happy Cows is an app that is a simulation game designed by a professor of chemistry who teaches a course, a gen ed course in environmental chemistry, and it's about the concept of the tragedy of the commons. So these are all cows that are grazing on a common field. Each of the students is a farmer with a certain number of cows, and unless there is some restriction on the number of cows each farmer gets, eventually all the cows are going to be overgrazing the field and fall into poor health. So that's the idea is to keep the cows happy. So with that background, at this phase of the course, the students are doing pull requests, and I'm trying to go through these pull requests and decide if they're mergeable, and if so, they get points for merging the pull request into main. And one of the things that's really challenging is that I basically spend my time in this part of the course cycling through a number of pull request queues. So if I go, for example, to this first one here and then go to pull requests, I see that there are a number of pull requests waiting for my attention. And then if I go to the next section, there are a number of pull requests waiting for my attention, and so on and so forth. What would be really handy, I think, would be to be able to see these 6 pull request queues all in one visualization. So for example, I'm looking right here and I see that there are 9 pull requests, and I look here and I see that there are 13 pull requests. I look here and I see that there are 25 pull requests. And so what I'd like to do is make sure that I'm looking at all of these pull requests. This one has 19, and kind of cycling through them, giving attention to the longest queues. It'd be nice to maybe be able to see among these 6 queues which pull request has been waiting the longest for attention. So that's one of the things that we don't have in the in our dashboard right now that I think would be really handy to have.